What you are looking at is a continuous air monitoring station called Ross Creek. It is located within the city of Fort Saskatchewan. This station is one of 10 continuous air monitoring stations operated by Fort Air Partnership. We also have several dozen passive air monitors located throughout our airshed. Our monitoring network covers a large area north and east of Edmonton, and we monitor the air you breathe every minute of every day, all year long.
Hello, my name is Harry Benders. I'm the Network Manager for the Fort Air Partnership, and today I'm going to show you the inner workings of one of our continuous air monitoring stations. Together our stations measure a variety of 19 substances and a number of weather conditions like temperature and wind speed. The data we collect is used to determine the quality of local air both in real time and forecasts for the next day. So the outside air comes in through this glass tube, and then through these smaller tubes goes to the electronic equipment that measures what's in the air. For example, this one is for ozone, this one is for carbon monoxide, and one source of carbon monoxide is exhaust fumes from cars and trucks. Now over here we're collecting a substance called particulate matter. The particulate matter that we measure is about 1/8 the diameter of a human hair and can be harmful to your lungs if it gets too much of it. Sources of particulate matter are both natural and man-made. Forest fire smoke is one way particulate matter increases in the air. So what you're seeing here is the backs of the electronic equipment that we call air analyzers. The air comes from outside into the analyzer. For instance, here is the tube for ozone and going into its analyzer. But some of the other analyzers, such as these, can measure more than one substance at a time. What you're seeing here is the fronts of the air analyzers. They're telling us how much of each substance is in the air minute by minute. And the amounts we measure are very, very small, in parts per billion, or ppb. You'd need a very powerful microscope to see one of those molecules. There are Canadian and Alberta guidelines that tell us what is a warning level for most of the substances we measure. If the amount we measure is below the warning level, then the air quality is considered good. If it is above that level, then the air quality gets worse. This acts somewhat the same as weather warnings. When weather gets worse, it can sometimes reach a warning level, like a big thunderstorm or a snowstorm. The information from the analyzers I just showed you is charted on a graph. The graph behind me is showing several substances that we measure at this monitoring station. I can ask the computer to show me several substances at once or just one at a time. This graph shows you the analyzed results for particulate matter. Right now it's showing 3 to 6 micrograms of particles per cubic meter of air. I can then ask the computer to show me how this compares to what's considered the warning level. This line shows me the reading, and this line shows me the warning level. You can see that right now the level of particulate matter in the air is not a concern, since it is well below the warning level. All of this information is live streamed to our website, so you can look up any of this information yourself. You can also look up what the air quality is like today or is forecast to be for tomorrow.